Charles and Mary were individuals that you knew that they were Christian when Easter and Christmas were not near. When it was outside of Sunday services, they were practical individuals. They, particularly Charles, would help more than family. And if the word came that family needed some help, or if family was perhaps dying or could die, he'd be right there. And he would do this whether or not it was requested of him. He was a practical individual when it came to his experience. As far as what I noticed, he wasn't one to gush over, oh, I felt good, feeling good in church, or seeing a couple lines intersect and saying, that God specifically revealed to you because of that. Yeah, sure, we get the experiences that we need to make the conclusions that we should make. But he was more or less real when it came to that stuff. And neither he nor Mary, in what I've witnessed or heard, spoke disrespectfully about the fact that we never attended any of the churches that he attended. At least weren't members. I've never attended any service of any of these. But I think he realized that we accept Jesus as Mesich, Omnual, Christos, or perhaps it's a trained or natural tolerance thereof. And unlike what seems for most people these days, he was somebody who cared for his country throughout his life, that cared about freedom and security as a nation, which is something that is failing these days. And before this picture was taken, there was an American flag on the table. And, due ceremony was performed regarding his veterans honors there. And not only the memory of these stories, but the legacy of the efforts made by Charles and Mary certainly live on, and it seems probably will after their names are forgotten.